Where you been at? Where your girl been at? Y'all, I just been going through it, but I'm back and I'm about to revamp everything. We finna, I'm about to turn it up. I got time. This virus ain't stopping nothing over here. So y'all about to see me on here. I'm about to get consistent. I got new content coming. I got new everything coming. I'm trying to, revamp everything. So I just wanted to come on here real quick because I did want to show y'all my new hair that I just got in the mail from a company that I'm actually partnering with, and that is LMT Cosmetics. They did send me the Empress Collection Deep Wave hair. I got 20 inches, a 22, and a 24, even though I should have got all 24. Next time I will. It's virgin Indian hair. And also, I do have a coupon code for y'all for shipping. I will link that below, so check. You can get free shipping. It is for orders over $100, but that's really good. Free shipping. So you can always use my code chellzangell10 and you get 15% off all orders. So you get free shipping on top of 15% off of all orders. These are the chellzangell. She named one of her lashes after me. These are the chellzangell. So go on there and use my code chellzangell10 and get 15% off a pair of all of that. If you want all of this, yeah, go on there and do that, okay? Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, sorry if the angle changed. I had to, readjust. And as you can see, this is my real hair if you did not know. This is my real hair. It's blow dried out because I will be getting it done. I'm about to be getting it done. So I did want to show you guys how my hair looked before. You got to come in with it washed and blow dried. That's how they want it. So it's blow dried, nothing on it. This is my hair. First of all, let's talk about her packaging. This packaging is so cute. When I tell you, she was like, I'm waiting on my boxes to come in and then your hair will be there. She was like, I really want my boxes to be here. And now I see why, because look at this, guys. This is so cute. I don't know if you can see it real good with the lighting. There it goes right there. There it goes. But it's so cute. It's a little black box with the handle. It's like a little shoe. It reminds me of like a little kid's shoe box. It's so cute, like a little bag. LMT Cosmetics and her logo, of course. So when you open it up, there's a nice little note there, of motivation. And then your hair, of course, your hair is in there. So when you pull it out, your hair is already, packaged. I like that. So it's fresh. So when you open them up, ooh, look at this, y'all. And that's why I say I should have got them all in the 24. I should have got them all in the 24. But look at this hair, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look how it's going to be on me. Yes. So it tell you, okay, so the 20, this is the 20 inch. This is the 22 and the 24. So I got 3 bundles. I always get 3. I like it full. You can go with 2, but I just like a fuller look. So I'm getting a traditional sew-in, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, so don't worry. So far, it smells amazing. Like I said, she pre-washed it for me, so it smelled, oh my gosh, y'all. Thank y'all for sticking in there with me. Anybody that's still there, anybody that's new, anybody that didn't stick in there with me, it's all love. I'm working on a lot of stuff. I'm getting into my TikTok heavy, Triller. I'm gonna link all of that below. I want y'all to go check it all out. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys so much. And gang, gang. My appointment's at 11 and it's like 10:55 or something like that. So I'm about to walk in. Okay. Danny on the track, boys. I got my hair done and it looks so good. Look at it, y'all. Oh my God, I love it. So, y'all know this is a sew-in. So, I do have minimal leave out. My hair is out at the top. So my hair did blend in because I have a similar curl pattern. So when she installed it, it was bigger than this. It was much bigger. Like the natural hair of it was so big. It was like so much hair. I'm telling you, when you get these bundles, you're gonna be like, oh, this is not enough. Because when I got the bundles, I was like, this might not be enough. I might need more than 3 bundles. But no, the hair, like, this is a lot of hair and I love it. So I'm really, really happy with it. She did amazing. The stylist, her name is Ace, so y'all go check her out, and I'm gonna leave her info down below. She's in Charlotte. She's a beast. I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see the back. So that's the back of it. It basically like comes down to my butt, and it's just so nice. Like, I love it. So what I wanted to tell y'all is definitely go ahead and use my code. It is chellzangell10, and you can get 15% off of your any order, anything you want to order on LMT. Also, she has a free shipping code. You type in SHIPME and you can get free shipping. It does have to be over $100 worth of items, but if you're ordering hair, obviously you'll be ordering over $100. So free shipping, you can't beat that. Plus 15% off. Yeah. So that's a really good deal. Once again, I'll put everything down below. I'll link everything down below. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl. Follow everybody that I link below. I love my hair. I hope y'all like it. Let me know if y'all like the video. And like always, I love y'all. Thank y'all for the support. And it's